Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going through another worked example. We have a truss with a span of 15 meters. The truss has a pin support at point A and a roller support at point B. There are a few point loads acting on the truss on the top and down here. And there's also a horizontal force. We need to find the reactions. The first thing we need to do is to draw the free body diagram. The free body diagram should look like this. Since we have a pin support at point A, we will have two reactions, HA and VA. And also a roller support at point B, we only have one vertical force, which is VB. Next, we need the notations. To the right, positive. To the left, negative. Upward, positive. Downward, negative. Clockwise, positive. Anti-clockwise, negative. We start the solution by finding HA. To find HA, the sum of all horizontal forces should equal 0. We have two horizontal forces, HA and this 3 kilonewton here. So since they are acting to the right, we said to the right is positive HA plus this 3 kilonewton equals 0. So we know that HA is equal minus 3 kilonewton. Next, we move on to find VB. To find VB, we need to take moment at point A. So we have this 2 kilonewton acting clockwise. It is positive. So clockwise is positive. 2 times the distance. This distance here, 5 meters. We need half of it because the 2 kilonewton is acting right here. 2 times 2.5, the distance. Plus this 5 kilonewton acting clockwise again, positive, multiplied by the distance 5 meters, plus 2 kilonewton acting clockwise, multiplied by the distance. We have this 5 here, and then half of this 5, 2.5, 7.5. 2 times 7.5. Plus, we have this 5 kilonewton acting clockwise again. It is positive, multiplied by the distance, 10 meters, plus this 2 kilonewton acting clockwise again, clockwise positive, multiplied by the distance. We have 12.5 right here, plus the 3 kilonewton. We need to be careful here because here we only take this height as distance. 3 times the distance or the height minus VB, as we could see here. VB acting anti-clockwise, VB multiplied by the total distance, which is 15 meters. If we plug all this into the calculator, we could see that VB is equal positive 8.60 kilonewton. We need to highlight this answer because we will use it later. Next, we move on to find VA. To find VA, the sum of all vertical forces equals 0. We have VA acting upward, therefore positive, minus this 2 kilonewton acting downward, therefore negative 2, negative 5 acting downward, negative 2 acting downward again, negative 5 acting downward, negative 2 acting downward, plus VB acting upward equals 0. If we plug all these negative values into the calculator, it will give us minus 16, plus the value for VB we found here. We'll put it back here. So we have VA minus 16 plus positive 8.60. VA equal positive 7.40 kilonewton. We also need to highlight this value. We'll use it again. Now we see that we found the reactions, but we need to check to see if our answers are correct. To check the answers, we take moment at point B. The sum of all moment at point B should be 0. We have positive VA multiplied by the distance from here to there, we have 15 meters, minus this 2 kilonewton acting anti-clockwise, as we could see from the notation. Therefore, it is negative, multiplied by the distance from this point to here, that would be 12.5, minus this 5 kilonewton acting anti-clockwise, multiplied by the distance 10 meter, minus this 2 kilonewton acting anti-clockwise again, negative, multiplied by the distance from this point to here, that would be 7.5, minus this 5 kilonewton acting anti-clockwise, multiplied by the distance 5 meter, minus this 2 kilonewton multiplied by the distance from this point to here, 2 multiplied by 2.5 meter, plus the 3 kilonewton acting clockwise, this 3 kilonewton acting clockwise, positive, multiplied by the height again, which is 3 meter. We have the value for VA, which is 7.40 kilonewton. We put it back here, multiplied by 15. If we put all these values into the calculator, it should give us minus 111 equals 0. Now we could see that all our answers are correct. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to get the latest videos.